Hello viewers, today we are going to learn how to install and configure Atom on your computer. Atom is a powerful editor and need of every programmer. So, let's start. First of all, we will download installer from their website, that is atom.io. It will suggest you the latest version according to your operating system. In my case, it's Windows 64-bit. Download the installer and click on run. It will directly start installation process without asking any question. You can see that Rocket is loading up with some equipment. It means that setup is completing installation process in your computer. Let's wait. Here you can see that installation has been completed and it will open Atom directly. You can observe welcome screen with some options. You can open a project or start a new project. You can also use Git and GitHub for version control or collaborate with Teletype, and you can also install a package to empower Atom with some useful features. I have gone through various discussion boards and find a common query where Atom has been installed and how to create its shortcut. Now I will create shortcut of Atom on my desktop. Open my computer. Go to the users in C drive. Open folder with your username. Open folder app data. Local. Here you can find Atom folder. Open it. And a folder with version name. Here you can find Atom application. Right click on it and create shortcut on the desktop. Atom don't create shortcut directly. You have to create it manually. Now another common question among various users that how can we run Atom from command line? Let's solve the problem. First of all, I will open Git that is already installed in my computer. Here in Git bash, I will enter the command Atom. You can see that the command has been failed and Atom did not start it. Now I will open command prompt and will execute same command. You can see that similar result appeared here and Atom did not start again. Now let's solve the problem. Right click on the icon of Atom on your desktop. Find its path. Copy it. After getting the path from shortcut, right click on this computer, open properties, then open advanced system settings, open environment variables, double click on path. It will open another window. Create a new entry. Enter here %, user profile, %, and paste copied path here. Now I will remove the last entry of application. Rest of path will remain same. Click on OK. Click again on OK. Apply the changes and OK. Exit the window. Now I will open command prompt again and enter command with some file name Atom space abc.py. It will open Atom from command prompt and abc.py will be created. So you can see that Atom command has been executed successfully from command prompt, which was previously not executing. Now I will open git bash, exit the command prompt, open git bash. Here I will again enter command Atom with some file name, that is index.html. You can see that index.html has been created in Atom, and Atom entry in environment variable has been successfully created. Now you can use command Atom directly. After solving these basic problems, now I will create my first program in Atom. I prefer command prompt to create program. I will open my repository folder named as my codes and will create a file index.html. Now I can execute the command directly from here. I will type Atom and then file name, that is index.html. It will open Atom and create a file index.html. Now I am intended to create my first HTML file. I will just type HTML here. You can see that a complete program structure has been created directly. Atom has a very powerful autocomplete feature. Now I will just enter some text in title and body. I will type here my first code and enter some line here. Hello world, this is my first document. You can see that tags have been highlighted correctly. Indentation is perfect. Now I will open my favorite feature, that is markdown program and toggle preview. So you can see that output is directly appearing here. I will just remove these two tags which have been created extra by mistake, and you can see that complete output is appearing in right pane. This is built-in feature, and indeed it is very useful tool for programmers to get real-time preview of their codes. Now let's add some more tags here. In my first and only line of code, you can see that output is appearing in right pane in real time. You can increase font size by pressing Ctrl mouse wheel up and decrease font size by pressing Ctrl and mouse wheel down to set the font at your level of ease. I am going to create an ordered list and will create some list entries. I will use li and /li tags to enter first item in the list. And that is my first item. Now I will create second entry. You can see that as I enter li, it is suggesting the tag and automatically creating opening and closing tag so that I can enter code easily. You can see that real-time output is appearing in right pane. Now I am going to enter final list item here. After that, I will save the file so that my work could be saved in same folder where I entered the Atom command. Now I am going to exit the Atom. It will take me to the command line where I started the creation of file. Now I will use dir command to check that file has been created in that folder or not, and you can see that index.html has been created. So Python has been installed in my system successfully and working perfectly. Atom is free and open source editor, have all capabilities of a modern and powerful text editor. You can search and install new packages according to your need and requirements. It also helps you to write code faster with smart autocomplete. It also works on different operating systems like Linux and Mac, etc. In next video, we will discuss most important plugins required by every programmer. Stay tuned with Code Cloud. Please like and share this video and subscribe our channel.